beauties, it's your girl Syndie. Welcome back to another vlog. So it's kind of late and I'm running a little bit late, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little outfit of the day. I'm headed out to dinner with Carmen and Mena. We're going to Lock Bar today. This is my second time at Lock Bar. The first time I just had drinks, so I'm excited to see what the dinner is giving. Let me share with you guys a quick outfit. Not really little, but I'm wearing this bodycon dress from Shein. I've had it for a little bit, and I just felt like wearing something light but still form-fitting at the same time. I paired it with my Pochette Felicie and these Fashion Nova heels. Pretty simple, and then with my typical gold jewelry. And I got my hair done last week into a twist out, so it's doing pretty well. And this is day 2 of the twist out, so I have it out, and then I have a red lip today. So that's basically it, and I'm wearing Valentino Donna Born in Roma for fragrance tonight. Sunday, so I am headed out. Want to do a quick little outfit fragrance, you know the deal. So for my dress here, this is from JLux Label. I've had it for a little bit. I've worn it one other time in another vlog and decided to wear it today for a little nice pop of color. I have these shoes from Express. They're a very comfortable neutral heel, and I'm wearing my Alma BB because it just goes with everything, and I've really been enjoying wearing it lately. So that's my outfit. And then for fragrance today, because it's really nice and sunny, I'm wearing Chanel Chance. I'm heading out to lunch with Mena. We're going to kiss again, but it should be a fun time. I will see you guys later.
How's everyone feeling today? It is Tuesday.
Both cameras for me.
The double cameras.
The waist.